What if I told you that the stubborn belly fat you can't get rid of is not a diet problem? It's not because you're lazy. It's not because you're eating too much. It's because your liver is sick and no one told you. Right now, over 100 million Americans have fatty liver disease, and most of them have no idea. And the scary part? A fatty liver is the one hidden reason why belly fat keeps coming back, no matter what you do. But here's what's exciting. Science now shows that with the right protocol, you can reverse a fatty liver and melt visceral belly fat in as little as 2 weeks. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how, using real science, not myths.
First, let's understand what we're dealing with. Your liver is your body's master filter. It cleans your blood, processes nutrients, and regulates fat metabolism. But when fat starts building up inside liver cells, the liver stops working properly. This condition is called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD. And here's the critical connection most people miss. When your liver is overwhelmed with fat, it starts sending out inflammatory signals. Those signals trigger your body to store more fat, specifically deep, visceral belly fat, the kind that wraps around your organs and is the hardest to lose. So the belly fat is a symptom. The liver is the root cause. How do you know if you have a fatty liver? Classic signs include persistent belly bloating, fatigue after meals, belly fat that won't respond to diet or exercise, brain fog, elevated triglycerides or blood sugar.
So what causes fat to pile up in the liver in the first place? The 3 biggest culprits, backed by research, are 1. Fructose overload. A 2013 study in the Journal of Hepatology found that high fructose consumption, especially from processed foods and sugary drinks, directly causes liver fat accumulation. Fructose is processed exclusively in the liver, and in excess, your liver converts it straight into fat. 2. Insulin resistance. When your cells stop responding to insulin properly, your blood sugar stays elevated. Your pancreas pumps out more insulin. That excess insulin tells your liver to keep making and storing fat. It's a vicious cycle. 3. Gut dysbiosis, or leaky gut. New research, including studies from 2022, shows that an imbalanced gut microbiome increases intestinal permeability. Bacterial toxins leak into the bloodstream and travel directly to the liver, causing inflammation and fat buildup.
All right, here's the 2-week protocol that science supports. These are not random tips. Each one has a biological mechanism behind it. Step 1. Eliminate liver stressors, days 1 through 3. Remove these immediately. Refined sugar and high fructose corn syrup, alcohol, even one drink raises liver enzymes. Refined seed oils, vegetable, canola, soybean, ultra-processed foods. Here's a real example. A 2020 clinical study gave participants a diet removing added sugars for just 9 days. Liver fat dropped by 22% in that short window. 9 days. Without calorie restriction. The liver responds fast when you stop poisoning it.
Step 2. Eat liver-healing foods, days 1 to 14. Add these every single day. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, contain sulforaphane, which activates liver detox pathways. Eggs, rich in choline, which literally helps transport fat out of the liver. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, omega-3s reduce liver inflammation. Extra virgin olive oil, shown in studies to lower liver enzymes and reduce fat storage. Coffee. Yes, 1 to 2 cups of black coffee per day is linked to a 40% lower risk of liver disease in multiple studies. Beets and beet greens contain betaine, which protects liver cells. A 48-year-old woman named Maria, who came to her doctor with elevated ALT liver enzymes and a swollen belly she couldn't explain, switched to a Mediterranean-style diet focused on these foods for 2 weeks.
Her follow-up ultrasound showed measurable reduction in liver echogenicity, a marker of liver fat, and she lost 4 pounds of visceral fat.
Step 3. Spike insulin sensitivity, days 3 to 14. 2 proven strategies. A. Time-restricted eating, intermittent fasting. Eating in a 16-8 window, 8 hours eating, 16 hours fasting, dramatically lowers insulin levels. Low insulin means the liver stops storing fat. B. Short walks after meals. A 10 to 15-minute walk after meals reduces the blood sugar spike by up to 30%, which lowers the insulin demand on your liver. Do this after lunch and dinner. Step 4. Target visceral fat with specific exercise. Not all exercise is equal for visceral fat. Here's what science says works best while it's working. Zone 2 cardio. Low-intensity, steady-state cardio, brisk walking, cycling, for 30 to 45 minutes, 4 to 5 times per week.
Step 5. Strategic supplementation. 3 supplements with strong clinical evidence. Milk thistle, silymarin, 140 milligrams 3 times daily, shown to reduce liver inflammation and oxidative stress. Berberine, 500 milligrams 2 to 3 times daily, activates AMPK, an enzyme that directly reduces liver fat synthesis. Choline, 550 milligrams daily, if you're not eating eggs, essential for fat transport out of the liver. If your belly won't budge no matter what you do, don't blame your metabolism. Look at your liver. The protocol is simple. Remove liver stressors. Eat liver healing foods. Lower insulin with fasting and movement. Exercise smart. Zone 2 plus resistance. Support with targeted supplements. 2 weeks. That's all it takes to start seeing and feeling a real difference. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach people who need this information. Subscribe if you want more science-backed health content like this.